Hey everyone, ready to remove a swimming pool? I've got you covered with insights from my 15 years in demolition and over 1,000 pools removed. This guide simplifies the process, making it as easy as a swim. Start with permits and local regulations. It's essential to avoid fines and delays. My site plan can assist if you're stuck on getting a site plan for your permit, crucial for showing your pool's location and ensuring compliance. Draining the pool is next, a step where expert advice can prevent environmental issues and property damage. Then comes demolition, where choosing the right method depends on your pool's material. Safety and efficiency are paramount here. For backfill and compaction, selecting suitable soil and the correct compaction technique is vital to prevent future problems. Lastly, site restoration involves grading, possibly installing new drainage, and cleaning up for the final inspection. Want the full breakdown and to ensure a smooth project? Visit our website for the detailed blog post. It's packed with valuable advice you won't want to miss for a hassle-free pool removal.